When building or purchasing a home, a decision you have to make is what type of foundation do you want? Stay tuned to find out what foundation is best for your home. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery, and I'm the Director of Sales at Acculevel. Every home has a foundation. Which one is best to build or purchase? In this video, I'll tell you 3 types of foundations, the purpose of each one, and which one is best for you. Before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. When we're talking about the types of foundations in this video, what we're talking about is the structure of the foundation. So the 3 that you're going to have are slab on grade, you're going to have a crawl space, or you're going to have a basement. Number 1, when we talk about a slab, the purpose of a slab is going to be a quicker build. It's going to be less intrusive, you're not digging as far, and you're going to stay above any kind of water table. When we're talking about a crawl space, this is the in-between foundation structure. Generally, a crawl space foundation is going to be 3 to 4 foot deep. You're going to have access to your plumbing by just getting underneath the crawl space. It's going to be easy to fix, easy to repair. Then when we're talking about basement, this foundation is going to be the deepest foundation. The big benefit of this is that you have a lot of extra living space. So you have livable square footage, storage space. That's why a lot of people opt into the basement foundation. You really have to think about cost, number 1. Your slab foundation is going to be the cheapest, the crawl space is going to be the in-between, the basement's going to be the most expensive. And so you really have to look at what's the cost versus what's my lifestyle. Are you looking for that extra storage? Are you looking for that extra living space? If so, that's going to be towards the basement. Now, if you're looking to just get in there with the cheapest and the least amount of intrusion, that's where the slab's going to come into play. A lot of people, especially here in the Midwest, opt for that middle with that crawl space. So you get the ease of repairs, but you also get some depth out of the footing to where you're in a better likelihood of being in some more solid soils than maybe a slab home. And you don't have to rip up the slab to repair a sewer line or a water line. And you can access that, but you don't want to go all the way to the basement and spend that kind of money to have a full basement underneath your home. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, Acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about which foundation you should choose? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We greatly appreciate it. Thank you for watching.